Alright, I'm recording.
Okay, so this is a circuit. There's voltage running through here, and it goes through this resistor, and the voltage over here then either goes out through this resistor to the ground, or it goes through this one, and either goes through this. What's this called again? Potentiality?
It's a potentiometer.
Potentiometer, or it goes down through this resistor.
Yep.
We're using these two probes essentially to mathematically find the voltage of this resistor. And the purpose of this potentiometer is that we can adjust the resistance.
Additionally, a sine wave is being generated by the what is this thing?
Just a sine,
Whatever it's called. The generator. A function is being generated, and that's how the circuit is being powered.
I have to do the...
Yeah, okay. Yeah, here, you can just take this out. So this is the software. So there are two peaks here. So can you go back to the circuit real quick? Yeah. So this right here is measuring the potential difference between this point of the circuit, this point of the resistor, and ground. And then this one over here is showing the difference between this part of the circuit and ground as well. And so, oh, I'm sorry. That's fine. So as you use, what's this thing called? The trimmer tool. You can change the resistance in the potentiometer. And so if you go back to the screen, we can see that the red line shows the difference between the voltages between the 2 points of the resistor. And as I twist the potentiometer, we can see that the actual difference is increasing and decreasing. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to minimize this. We're trying to minimize this function so that the difference is 0 across the time domain. Let's see. We can never get the amplitude to be exactly 0, but we can get it pretty close. So, oh.
Vivek, you have 56 seconds left.
What? There's a time limit on this?
There's 3 minutes max.
Rip. Okay. So yeah. Okay, that's minimized. Sure. Additionally, you can just use the software to find the voltage difference. Yep. You also used averages here to make it less noisy. So if I just decrease the average, then it suddenly becomes very noisy. You can see it like. No, where'd the noise go?
30 seconds. Just explain why we do this. Why do we find the minimal
value? So the reason for finding the minimal value of this is that there are equations using Wheatstone bridges that if you know if you made the voltage across 2 points of the bridge 0, then you can use a set of ratios to find an unknown resistance, the unknown resistance being the potentiometer.